Are you looking for the best wireless CCTV systems? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best wireless CCTV systems on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. OOSSXX 2K 3.0 MP Wireless Security Camera System. Experience enhanced surveillance with the OOSSXX wireless security camera. Equipped with dual antennas, this camera system ensures a stronger and more reliable Wi-Fi signal, resulting in smooth and clear video footage. The advanced AI human detection feature reduces false alarms caused by leaves, clouds, animals, or insects, providing real-time notifications for abnormal actions. With its 2 TB hard drive, this system offers 60 days of video and audio storage, ensuring that no important moments are missed. The camera's IP67 waterproof rating and night vision capabilities allow for 24/7 monitoring, regardless of the weather conditions. Additionally, the free Hiseeu Cloud app enables remote viewing from anywhere on your smartphone, PC, or tablet, providing convenience and peace of mind. What we like: enhanced Wi-Fi signal, AI human detection, 60 days of storage. Number 2. 2K Wi-Fi security camera system with dual Wi-Fi and two-way audio. This 2K Wi-Fi security camera system comes with a 10-channel dual Wi-Fi 3MP network video recorder and 4 2K/3MP IP66 waterproof two-way audio security cameras. With H.265 plus video compression and 1 TB hard drive, it enables IP cameras to deliver smooth HD video with low bandwidth, reducing the network bandwidth and saving up to 50% video storage space. You can remotely view the real-time images of your home through the Hiseeu Cloud app, and receive alerts upon motion detection. The system supports sync playback, video backup, and video detection, and can seamlessly stream video directly to your smartphone, tablet, and PC. What we like: dual Wi-Fi and two-way audio, H.265 plus video compression and 1 TB hard drive. Remote viewing through the Hiseeu Cloud app. Number 3. CAMCAMP Wireless Security Camera System. The CAMCAMP security camera system offers comprehensive protection for your home with its advanced features. The system records continuously for 30 days, ensuring you never miss an important moment. With the ability to pan, tilt, and zoom, you can monitor your property from various angles, giving you a clear view of your surroundings. The included 10-inch LCD monitor makes it easy to watch live feeds and review recorded footage. Plus, the two-way audio feature allows you to communicate with visitors directly, enhancing your security and convenience. What we like: 24/7 recording capability, 10x hybrid zoom, two-way audio communication, easy setup with auto pairing. Number 4. ZHXINSD Wireless Security Camera System. The ZHXINSD security camera system offers advanced features to enhance your home security. With dual lenses and 10x hybrid zoom, you can monitor both wide areas and specific details, ensuring clear images day and night. The auto-tracking capability keeps an eye on people, vehicles, or animals, so you never miss a moment. Plus, the Wi-Fi 6 technology ensures a stable connection and fast video transmission, eliminating the need for cumbersome cables. You'll receive instant alerts on your mobile device for any detected movement, providing peace of mind wherever you are. What we like: advanced dual lens technology, auto tracking for enhanced surveillance, Wi-Fi 6 for stable connections, instant mobile alerts. Number 5. Hiseeu 3MP Security Camera System. The Hiseeu wireless camera system is a comprehensive surveillance solution that offers advanced features to ensure the safety and security of your home or office. With its pan-tilt control and motion tracking capabilities, the PTZ camera provides a wide-area 360 degrees view, allowing you to track suspicious individuals and record their every move. This ensures that you never miss an important moment. The system also features two-way audio, allowing you to communicate with your family or visitors through your mobile phone. The H.265 Plus video compression technology enables double data compression ratio while improving video quality with a low bit rate. With multiple storage and recording modes, including a built-in 1 TB hard drive, SD card, or cloud service, you have the flexibility to choose the option that suits your needs. The remote access feature allows you to view the camera feed on your mobile phone or computer anytime and anywhere. Additionally, the motion detection feature sends immediate alarm notifications to your mobile phone, ensuring the safety of your loved ones and preventing property loss. The expandable 10-channel camera system allows you to add additional Hiseeu wireless cameras for enhanced security. With easy installation and user-friendly features, the Hiseeu wireless camera system is a reliable and convenient choice for your surveillance needs. What we like: 360 degrees pan tilt control, two-way audio, H.265 Plus video compression.